You are wasting your money and worse, risking your health because no one told you how to actually use MK-677 properly. Today, I am fixing that for good. What's up everyone? This is Patel, a certified PA specializing in hormones and medical weight loss. If you have been confused about how to take MK-677 dosage, timing, cycling, all of it, you are in the right place. Today, we are breaking it down simple, fast, backed by real science. So let's get into it. Alright, so quick recap for new folks. MK-677, also called as Ibutamoren, is not a steroid. It's a growth hormone secretagogue. Basically, it tricks your brain into pumping out more natural growth hormone. And guess what? Growth hormone equals better fat burning, better sleep, faster recovery, and yes, muscle support. But if you take it wrong, you miss all those benefits. Or worse, mess up with your insulin level. So stick with me. So how much MK-677 should you take? Most people overdose themselves. It's not about more being better. For the average adult, 20 to 25 milligram per day is a sweet spot. Going higher like 50 milligram increases your chances of bloating, numbness, insulin resistance, and feeling like trash. Stick with 20 to 25 milligram daily, period. So when should you take MK-677? Here is where people really mess up. MK-677 has a half-life of about 24 hours. That means it stays active basically all day after you take it. So you only need it once per day. Now when you take it, depends on your goal. If your biggest goal is better sleep and recovery, take it at night, before bed. If you're chasing maximum hunger for bulking or energy boost, take it in the morning. Just don't overthink it. Pick one time and stick with it like brushing your teeth. Keep it super simple. So how to take MK-677 the right way? Alright, so here's the real how part. MK-677 is usually taken orally. Just swallow it with 8 to 10 ounces of water, ideally at the same time every day to keep blood level stable. Now about food. Does it matter? Slightly. Taking it an empty stomach might give a stronger growth hormone pulse. But honestly, if you feel nauseous, take it with food. No magic rule here. Consistency is the king. And guess what? No crazy preloading. No crazy cycling unless you are staying on for over 6 months straight. Most users go 6 to 12 months on and take 1 to 2 months break. That's it. So why it works? MK-677 has alleged studies backing it. A study published in the Journal of Clinical Endocrinology and Metabolism found it boosted growth hormone and IGF-1 levels significantly without serious side effect in healthy adults over 12 months. Another trial at University of Virginia showed MK-677 improved sleep quality and increased REM sleep cycle, major for recovery and fat loss. So the point is, when used right, it's one of the safest growth hormone boosters available today. To wrap it all up, don't overcomplicate this. 20 to 20 milligram daily, once per day, same time, stay consistent. Your future self will thank you. I am Patel. Like, follow, and save this video if you found it helpful. Stay smart, stay safe, and I'll see you in the next video.